Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the merciful and the beneficent, respected teachers, my elders and dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today we gather to celebrate Teachers' Day, a special occasion dedicated to honoring the integral contributions of our teachers. They are the guiding lights who shape our future, instill knowledge and inspire our students to our full potential. Teachers are not just educators, they are mentors, friends and our role model. They work tirelessly often beyond the going to call of duty. They were often beyond the going to call of duty to ensure that we learn, grow and succeed. To ensure that we learn, grow and succeed. Their dedication and passion evident in every lesson. The teachers, they help us in overcoming challenges. I am here to express our heartfelt gratitude. Thank you for your action, kindness and unwavering commitment to our education. And